Live from the USA, helping you get paid every day. This is the boss of Bitcoin, the Cristo of crypto. It's your boy BK. And if you don't like me, you must not like money. Thank you for joining me, everybody. As you know, today is December 4th, 2017, and Bitcoin is still looking strong, north of $11,000. Hopefully, you are making money in this market, because it's a lot of money to be made. If this is your first time tuning in, congratulations, baby. You are now rocking with the best. My name is BK. My friends know me as the crypto trader, and I am the boss of these charts, as you will soon find out. Every day I grace this microphone with my voice is another day you get the profit as a result, and today is no exception. So with that being said, guys, if you haven't done it yet, smash that subscribe button, turn your notifications on. Your boy come on the air 7 days a week because the markets don't sleep. And every day I come around, it's like Christmas because I always come bearing gifts. What we about to do right now is jump in our Facebook community. This is the #1 Bitcoin group in the world. Look at the title right there, #1 Bitcoin. Just type it in on Facebook. Come on in. The doors are always open. 17,000 of my best friends come together 7 days a week to help each other make money. Together, we all achieve more. And today, I'm about to get somebody paid right now. This is our breakout alert of the day. And in order to win some free Ethereum right out of my pocket, all you needed to do was jump on here and click a button, share that link. So let's see who all did it. Let's go ahead and pick somebody. So what we'll do, today is December 4th. So that's 1 + 2 is 3 + 4 is 7. So we will go 7 from the bottom. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Bam! My man Muhammad. Mira. Oh, I can't comment. So Muhammad, you gotta I can't do it. You gotta I'll do this though. I'll copy and paste your name. Mira. Paste it right there. Say winner of the day. Bam! Do me a favor. Send me your Ethereum wallet. I'll send you a couple bucks ETH as a token of my appreciation. Thank you for joining me. Thank you, everybody. 277 people rocking out with the boss right now. If you haven't done it, hit that like button. We got 20,000 people that hear my words every day. I just try to help them get paid. Help them wake up with a little bit more money than they went to bed with. Now let's make some more. Here we go, guys. We are jumping straight into the charts. What coin is this? What chart are we looking at right now? If you didn't know, now you know. This is day 3 of our trading challenge. I'm doing a 100-day trading challenge where for 100 days, I'm going to be making a trade. It's not 100 days consecutively. It's just 100 days of action, right? And so today is day number 3. I'm looking in the chat, see if you guys know what coin this is, if anybody knows yet. Bam! Powder blue. Hit the nail on the head. Said LTC. That's setting up to be a really, really great pickup. So what I'm going to do right now, this is our coin that we are getting for our trading challenge. So I'm going to write down that we bought Litecoin. I'm doing 0.01 Bitcoin. Every trade I do, I'm doing 0.01 Bitcoin. And so Litecoin, we're going to buy it at 0.0877. I'll just do 88 even. That way it's flat. 0.088, right? And that's the price of it right there. TradingView allows you to do like some really cool stuff with the axis. So you could just click symbol last value and it'll like highlight, you know, what coin you have. And then also if it's red, that means it's going down on that candle. If it's green, it's going up on that candle. So again, this is tradingview.com, you guys. This is the boss method we are going to be using. It's intellectual property owned exclusively for the rights and replication of Brandon Kelly LLC. If you are a profit-seeking entity, you may not use it without my express written consent, which you'll never have if you're a person. Use it and use it abundantly. It works quite well. There are 2 rules. Blue above white. Buy. Blue below white. Sell. This method is based on harmonics, fractals, a little bit of consciousness, and a lot of statistics. I put a couple letters behind my name from University of Notre Dame, a couple more, civil engineering, bachelor's from the University of Wisconsin. I bleed red and white, you know what I'm saying? So I'm making money all night. Shout out to Madtown. You know, I know they couldn't, they went 12 and 0. That 13th game. Or what is it? They was 11 and 0. Only undefeated team in the country. Yeah, look me up, man. BK56, you know what I'm saying? Number 56 on the field, number 1 in the girls' hearts, you know what I'm saying? Ask about me. I'm a legend up in Madtown. All right, here we go. I'm sorry. I got a girlfriend. I can't be talking like that. Her dad be listening to this channel. I'm sorry. I'm just joking. All right, here we go. Litecoin, guys. LTC is ready to make some money. This is what we're doing. Normally I look at 4-hour chart. 4-hour chart. This is a 343. It just makes everything come together a lot easier. Why am I struggling? I'm struggling to get this thing to scale down. What's going on? So here we go. We're gonna zoom out in time on this thing. We got new colors, right? Because not everyone, their eyes cannot process the difference between green, orange, and red. So it's the exact same, you know, symbols. 777. Let's just do this. The white is the 7. So let's do that. White is a 7. Blue is the 77. And this big thing up in here, the columns, is a 231, right? 7 candle moving average is the white. 77 candle is the blue. That's really all we need 9 out of 10 times to make money. White over blue. You know what to do. What is that? Buy. See that? Buy it. Sell it. Buy it. Sell it. Right? And you just ride it up and ride it down, making money. You know what I'm saying? Every single time. Right? We do not hold them. We do not, you know, pray for a change in the tide. We ride that tide. We are surfing. You know what I'm saying? When that tide changes, when we get paid, right? We make money going up and we make money going down because we sold it up there. I'm happy when it goes down. I say I'm getting a bargain right now. Okay, so let's take a step back. Let me take a step back. I'm just gonna clear all of this off. Clear all of this off. Right? We got a blank canvas right now. And we can see that basically Litecoin has been sitting sideways. What does that mean? When it does stuff like that and it just makes those M's, like an M&M, right? That means it's going sideways, which means it's going up, going down, going up, going down. You know, it's no clear direction as far as Wall Street and technical analysts are concerned. You know what it looked like to me? It looked like money. It looked like cycles. It looks like resonance. It looks like self-sustained efficiency, you know, and I love charts like this. I love charts that just sit sideways because it's very, very clear when I need to buy it and when I need to sell it. Remember, guys, I told you, white over blue, 7 over 77, buy. 7 below 77, sell. That's it. Follow that one rule. What did Litecoin do for you? And this is against Bitcoin. This ain't with no dollar. I couldn't care less about no dollar. I value Bitcoin. 400% Bitcoin in 65 days like a boss. What it do the next time around? What it do the next time around, BK? Hit him over the head with it. Bam! 78% Bitcoin. What it do next time? Bam! 39. Right? That is a 500% profit. BTC. And a little over, where is that? Hold up. Took out my little date line. There it goes. 500% BTC inside of 6 months. That's all it took to make that money. 500% Bitcoin. Put down 1 Bitcoin, take out 5. Call that the Bank of BK. That's awesome, right? So now what do we see? What do we see? Now we see that this thing has broken down, right? Right? Everybody that hold them been holding it since $30, since the Bitcoin cash fork. They done lost all that money, right? We got out up there, right? But they done lost all that money. Now they go get a chance to make it back. But guess what? We about to sit down and eat at the exact same table they sitting down to. This is how that works. This is how the little bit of the harmonic resonance inside of these numbers, this is how they come together right here. Let me clean this up a little bit. All right, so we got that. We're good with that, right? And I don't want that. I don't want that. We're good with that. So now, these are my next 2 lines. My next point of influence. One of them is going to be right there. Because what I need to figure out right now is we're sitting right here. We need to figure out what's going to happen over there. So in order to do that, I need to take the 2 most prominent areas that got us there. And so what that's going to be are these 2 points right here. Bam, bam, right? Because this was breakdown number 1, breakdown number 2. But if any of you guys remember mathematics, a negative times a negative, what does that give us? The energy of math, the energy of numbers. So beautiful. So when we do our Fibonacci freestyle on it one time, bam, hit them over the head with it. Look at that. Look at that. Look how that just comes together. You know what I'm saying? So all we're doing right here is we are consolidating and catching ourselves right on that 3.2, which is essentially 3 times the breakdown between 1 and 2. That's all that 3.2 is. The 1.6 is 2 times. The 3.2 is 3 times. So that means that once we finally get enough momentum to get above that 2.4, once we get enough momentum to go above that 2.4, the next stop is going to be the 1.6, which was a huge swing area leading up to this entire thing. In addition to that, if we look at these cycles, watch this now. Watch this. Watch this. This gonna be the closing. You know what I'm saying? I'm gonna drop the mic on this one. Let me see if I can get it. One take, Drake. Let me see if I can get it. We hit that one. Look at that. Bam! So these are our cycles. Bam, 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 bam. Look at that. I surprise myself every day. I'm telling you. I'm telling you. Litecoin is ready to make some money. I just showed y'all 8 different ways on one chart. This thing is ready to break out. You know what I'm saying? So you get with it or get lost. You know what I'm saying? I'm putting about a G in the market tomorrow, and this gonna be one of the coins I get. This one in Humanic. You know what I'm saying? So this one is solid, you guys. LTC. You know, somebody told Charlie, what's his name? Charlie Lee, to get off Twitter, start making some money. You know, and it looked like that's what Litecoin is about ready to do. Because it wasn't good for a long time. It wasn't good for a long time, but it's got a chance at least to make a little bit of money over here. And that's a solid pickup. That is roughly, you're almost guaranteed to get about 30%. Once that thing breaks out, get about 30% right there, all the way up to about 50 or 60% BTC, you know, inside of a couple months. That's not a bad turnaround. Not a bad turnaround in this market. And it's a strong coin. I mean, it's still got a following. A lot of people still like it for whatever reason. So it's not a bad coin. You know, last thing, I'll leave you with this. One more is when you look for harmonic resonance, one of the things you look for is parts of the chart where the collective conscience either agreed or disagreed with a given entity, a coexistence of an entity. That happened right here. Boom, boom. And it comes right back around right there. Look at that. Almost to the T, where that thing is bouncing at, consolidating at, deciding what direction it wants to go. So that is the that's the beauty of fractal harmonics. That's the beauty of sacred geometry. That's the beauty of understanding that everything is interconnected. We as humans are connected, and our energy is exuberated inside these candles, these bars, right? You know, every single little bitty candle inside, you know, inside this list is filled with tens of thousands of transactions from individual, greedy, fearful, self-interested people, right? That's why we take the candles out altogether, because the moving averages control the candles, not vice versa. And the minute we understand that, the minute we can understand how everything exists together, that's it. And I do, honestly, I do appreciate all the positivity. I do appreciate all the support. I appreciate the vibrant community that we have. It's a lot of broke people out there. You know what I'm saying? And it's looked like it's 1 or 2 of them in the chat just got booted. Have a good night. I'm not one of them. I don't ever plan on being one of them. I was one of them for a while, making $2 an hour, working at a Mexican restaurant in Milwaukee, Wisconsin, right there off Moreland Road, right by the big mall. And they got 2 McDonald's. I never understood why they had 2 McDonald's, like literally like 3 minutes away from each other. That's how you broke. You know exactly where the McDonald's is and the other one. You know what I'm saying? But I was making $2 an hour working at a Mexican restaurant, and I started to do this. I started to change my mind. I started to look around me and understand how entities work, how processes work, how businesses work. What is money? Money is value, transmission of value, right? Prime example. If you valued rice, that would look pretty good to you. You know what I'm saying? That would look pretty good if you valued rice, right? If it took you, 10 years for one little bitty kernel of rice, and you put 10 years of your energy into manifesting one little bitty kernel, you could say, I'm a very wealthy man right now. Money's the exact same way. Exact same way. The problem with it is that the systemic economics of corporate-induced capitalism has taken a lot of that rice away to where we fight over crumbs. You understand? People have no money. People are broke. Corporations have a little bit of money. Banks have it all. Banks print the money. People, if I I don't even like to do it, but if I showed you how much money I actually have, you'd be pretty impressed. That's because people don't have anything. You know what I'm saying? So my goal is to get as many people as much money as possible. This is how we do it right here in the charts. Because all those whales, and by whales, I mean banks, whatever, entities, corporations, they're sitting down playing at the exact same table we're playing at. But they got about 10,000 times more than we have. So what do? We just swim in the shadow like a little minnow. You ever see that big whale swimming and they got that little school of fish swimming right behind it? That's all we do. Because that whale is forced to swim in a certain direction because it takes too much energy to move all the mass inside of it into a different direction to have the benefit of the entire entity moving in one single direction. So we just jump in, jump out, jump in, jump out, jump in, jump out, like a school full of goldfish. Sooner than later, we go have enough big fish in the water to hold our own. But until then, we take it day by day, we take it trade by trade, and we do it together. And if you ain't with that, then don't worry about it. Just click that red button. You know what I'm saying? Peace and blessings be on your way. But if you are, then please believe I turned USD into BTC and BTC into an empire. And I ain't do all this to fall short. That's not why I'm here. So I gotta pick up all this rice now. So let's jump back over into our community. Again, one of the things that I try to do a lot of the hard work for you guys. I can't do everything, but I try to do enough just to basically put it on the table and say, if you eat, and go ahead and sit down. With that being said, guys, bossofbitcoin.com. We're going to go over some of these resources real quick. If you're in the chat right now, do me a favor, shout your country out. I'm coming right back to you guys in 30 seconds. I just wanted to get the people show what's going on. With our resources, I'm going to have a whole new website, hopefully by January, with a lot more items for our community to benefit. Not even these little lists either. This is just honestly something I did in the meantime, to get out to disseminate some information and some value. But trust me, it's a lot better resources coming. But for now, this is what we got. The profit package is kind of like the dream team, the all-star team of crypto, like Michael Jordan, Magic Johnson, Larry Bird, some of the greats, right? This is the first generation of legacy coins. Put it this way, Litecoin is on this list, right? These are the gold medal winners, right? They've been out for a while. They've been on the block for a while. They've had seasons, they've had cycles, and they know how to make money. So if you're just getting set up, honestly, the profit package is, and you don't really want to put a lot of your money at risk, the profit package is probably your best bet. It's billion-dollar coins that have a solid market and a solid profit projection. Somebody asked about number 10 earlier. We will be talking about that one this week. It's setting up to break out as well. So it's actually a good time to accumulate number 10. Dream Team. This is the young guns, right? These are the $100 million ICOs that are finally out, got a product, got a platform, got a community, you know, the next generation of greatness, right? They learn from the gold medal profit package, and you know, they know how to do it right. So the thing about the Dream Team is they're not really expensive, right? Because it's like buying LeBron James rookie card before anybody knew who he was. Or buying Steph Curry's jersey when he was still at Davidson. So a lot of the coins on the Dream Team are $1 or $2. So if you got $1 and you got a dream, then you got a coin on this list and you got a seat at the table, right? And it doesn't take a lot of dollars to make a lot of profit, right? But this is the last one. This is one I'm most proud about. It's called Cryptopolis. We're at $350 billion market cap right now. Within probably a year or two, we will be over $1 trillion. And I believe these 10 coins will get us there. A lot of people ask me all the time, just on an off note, you know, what do you think about this coin? What do you think about this coin? What do you think about this coin? And 9 out of 10 times they ask me about a coin on this list. That's because these coins are literally rebuilding our civilization from the inside out. So if you want to know what those are and profit from them, you know, over this next duration in the journey, you know, that is well worth the investment. Again, these products will be getting updated towards the end of the year as I roll out this new platform, this new website. So look forward to that. Again, at the end of the day, I'm just trying to create value for the community, you know, help people make money. I'm sick and tired of my people being sick and tired. You know what I'm saying? So if that's what I could do with this little bit of time I got here in this reality, then that's what it's going to be. That's what's going to get done. Now, here we go, guys. Let's see who we got rocking out with the boss right now. We're going to go ahead and close this thing on up, bump that thing on down, and let's see who we got. Where's it at? There we go. There we go. Here we go. Somebody said, pick up that rights. We love you, man. Bam. Thanks. Here we go. Australia, Safe X. USA, 2 times. Philly, what's up? Jersey, Chicago, Canada, Colorado Springs. My man said, hit that like button. Turn your notifications on, people. You know what I'm saying? If you like making money, come back and holla at me. I'm here every day. Colorado Springs in the house. What's going on? Brazil, what's going on? Somebody shout out Danielle. Where Danielle? I ain't seen Miss Danielle in a while. From the south side of Brazil. Ireland, what's up? Melbourne, Canada, Texas, BK, state of mind. That's right. That's right. Dallas, India, crypto dripping ATL. I need to have a meetup down here in Atlanta. What's going on? We need to get an ATL meetup with BK. Brazil, 2 times. I see you. Washington, Pensacola, and Brazil 3 times. I love that, man. Shout out to Brazil. You know what I'm saying? I love Brazil. Can't wait to go back. That being said, guys, it's that time of the day. Signing out.